Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So in this episode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it Comments of the Week. So I've hand-plucked some of the comments that you guys have been leaving throughout the channel on various videos. Some are old videos, some are new videos. And I get it, I kind of get a laugh out of some of the comments you guys leave. And some of the stuff's actually pretty good. We always enjoy like a tip or two. But a lot of you guys like to poke fun too, and that's fun. That's fine. So let's read through some of the stuff, and I'll go through it with you. All right, so Budman GT2, he wrote on the How to Change Your RV Propane Tank video. He said, well, hey, you didn't use soap and water to check for leaks. Well, my trailer's fairly new, and I know the propane tanks don't leak. But yeah, you're correct. If you want to use a little bit of soap and water when you connect your propane tank back up, if you put some soap and water around the seal where it connects, it should bubble if there's a leak there. And then you won't be saying, I'm real sorry your mom blew up, Ricky. So that's a little tip that would work for you. So Daniela Davis, on my chicken pen video, she goes, what is your accent? It's very unique. I get this all the time. So here's the deal. If you ever saw the movie The Fighter with Mark Wahlberg about Mickey Ward, that's where I grew up. I grew up in Lowell, and my accent's actually from Lowell. And my best friend actually used to train with Mickey Ward down Lowell. So the deal with that is, when we were in our early 20s, I'd go to the gym with my buddy Eric. We'd weightlift there. On Monday night, I'd grab his gym bag. We'd go to the bottom of the little auditorium. My Uncle Frank would work the door, so he would let us in. Or I'd go with Eric, weigh him in. We'd sneak through the locker room, and then we'd grab a couple beers and hang upstairs on the balcony. So the way the auditorium was set up is the balcony was almost over the boxing ring. So my buddy Eric was out there fighting. We used to yell over the ring at him. We looked like the judges on the Muppets, yelling over the ring. It was a funny time. And we'll get on into that into another video. Maybe one of these videos I'll have Eric on, and we'll talk about growing up in Lowell and things we used to do. That'd be pretty good. So, Mr. Shankweet said wicked pisser on the 10x10 Ozak screen house video that I totally botched putting that screen house up. But I really didn't care. I kept the camera rolling. So you see the good, bad, and the ugly in some of these videos. That's just how I roll over here. So typical Scar R6S had asked on my AT video that I have, and I show you how to patch a tire using a plug on your ATV. He had asked, can you use duct tape and crazy glue? Absolutely, perfectly fine. Put it on there. Had about 30 miles into the woods, and report back for duty. Let me know how you made out. So I have a video that's titled something like Why Washing Your Car is the Worst Thing You Can Do. Ron Buddha44 had wrote, ironically, Tony was washing this very Jeep in another video. You were correct, sir. On this Jeep, I show you the Sud cannon that I have and the soap that I use, the pink soap that I use. The thing works awesome. But yeah, typically, like if you have an old car, what you want to do is wash it as little as possible. You kind of want to keep it dry. But I wanted to do like a product review on that particular product. This was more fun to watch than my Expedition. So we did it on the Jeep, and it was all dusty, so I wanted to wash it off. But on a daily driver, it's your daily driver, so it's going to get wet and stuff and dirty. Perfectly fine. But if you have an old car like a 69 Chevelle, if you can wash it as little as possible, wipe it down, spray bomb it with detail spray. That's typically how you want to maintain an old car. I have a video that I did last year. There was this weird thing on the internet. Somebody said that the Mr. Clean sponge cleaned out a swimming pool, so I put that to the test. It was kind of a video that I did just for the hell of it. And we did a Mr. Clean sponge versus a generic sponge challenge to see if one worked better than the other. So Russian Bot 195 blah 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 wrote, what works better? Balancing the chemistry and having a clean filter. Well, I got a pretty good chemistry experience for you. If you take a shot of Bailey's, put it in your mouth, then you take a shot of leave it there, then you take a shot of lime juice, put that in your mouth, swirl it around, let me know what happens. That's a chemistry experiment for you. So I also have a video I did a long time ago on how to spice up boring spaghetti sauce. Basically, I take a little bit of sugar, add it to the sauce, and a few other things. So somebody wrote in, hey, you know, adding sugar to spaghetti sauce actually helps with acid reflux. I don't know if that's true or not, but when I take my acid reflux pill, I always wash it down with the Sam Adams. My wife yells at me all the time for it. So, those are some comments I got this week. Hope you guys enjoy it. Keep the comments coming. Keep subscribing. Hope you enjoy the channel. We'd like to have you hang out here. Thanks for watching, guys.